What's up, y'all? It's your girl Yoyo back again with another video. So this video has been low-key requested, so I did it for y'all.
I got nothing to say. Plus I've been hitting the dodge, moving to stay out the way. I went OD, you always blowing my phone, saying that you not okay, but I'm a KO. Knock at the end of the day, turn my phone off and then lay up.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and join the little family we got going on right here. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys so much for the support, and let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so basically my skin didn't love the exfoliator after the shave, which is weird because usually it does. But I haven't done a skin routine in a little bit, so maybe it was just not used to it. It kind of forgot the feeling or whatever. After I wash, I exfoliate, all of shave. After I do all of that to my skin, I usually go in with a face mask. So I just pick what face mask I'm feeling that day. So I'm just gonna show you guys a different face mask that I use. This one here is Mineral de la Murmur. I don't know what the fuck that is. It's Global Beauty Care. I got this as a gift. So this one right here, it's a facial mask in gel form. I love gel masks. If you have dry skin, gel masks are the way to go. This one is a charcoal gel face mask. I think this is like one of my favorites because when you have dry skin, charcoal masks literally pull everything, all the oils out of your face, and your face is left so dry, and it's not a great time. So you know you have to moisturize a lot after you use those types of masks. So the fact that this is still charcoal but it's in gel form really helps with dry skin. This is a clay face mask, so it does dry up. This one I don't use it that often because I don't really get like whiteheads and all of that stuff. But this is a peel off mask with matcha and tea tree extracts for clarifying, anti-aging, and rejuvenated skin. I only use it in my nose area. Charcoal and peel sparkling mud mask wash off mask. So it has like real pearls in it, which is why it's like shiny. Then my top two faves. This is literally my favorite brand when it comes to like mask and skincare. So the Freeman mask. This is the detoxifying charcoal and black sugar mud mask. But my ultimate favorite mask, I use, like if I don't do anything in the skin routine, this is what I would do. I use the Freeman gel. This is the hydrating glacier water and pink peony gel cream mask. This is a bomb moisturizer for your skin. If you have dry skin, I love this one. This one you can literally leave on, it'll soak into your skin. If I want to like leave it on and I really want like a wet, like I want hydration, I do like a little bit, like 2 dimes, maybe not a dime size, maybe double dime. It's really cold on your skin too. Ooh. Oh, this is exactly what my skin needed right now. This is another essential part. As y'all can see, I'm almost done. Skincare really does so much for you. It makes you feel like you're loving yourself, showing your body love, showing your skin love, because it does so much for you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys found it, you know, informative, maybe give you some products that you should go and purchase. If any of these products, you can get them on Amazon. I'm gonna see, and I'm gonna put the links in the bio as well, so just check the bio so you guys can get some of these. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.